In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to a drop-down menu in Shopify. This is a great way to organize your store's navigation and help your customers find exactly what they're looking for. We'll walk through each step in detail, ensuring you'll have the tools you need to implement this effortlessly. To start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From there, take a trip to your content section and click on Menu. Here you'll find the various menus you've created for your store. You can either choose an existing main menu to edit, typically it's called the main menu, or start fresh with a brand new menu if that better suits your needs. Now, let's move on to creating the foundational part of your dropdown, the header. Click on Add Menu Item. In the name field, you'll want to enter something that your customers will easily recognize, like Shop. In the link field, you have a couple of options. You could choose a specific collection, all products, or even just enter a navbar if you prefer not to link it to anything at all. With your main header established, it's time to dive deep into the details by adding specific products or collections. Again, you'll click Add Menu Item. This time, for every product or collection you wish to feature within your dropdown, you'll repeat this process. Name the menu items accordingly so they accurately represent the product or collection you're promoting. This will give your customers a clear path to explore exactly what they're looking for. The next part is crucial: nesting these products or collections to form your dropdown. Simply drag each of your newly added items a little to the right, positioning them under the header item you just created. This simple action will create a hierarchical structure, forming the drop-down menu your users will interact with. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save Menu. This will ensure that all your hard work is preserved and goes live for your customers to view. And there you have it. Once completed, your customers will see your main menu item, like Shop, which, when hovered over or clicked, will display a drop-down filled with the curated selections you've added. This structure not only enhances user navigation, but also can potentially boost your sales by easily directing customers to key products or collections. Following these steps provides a smooth and engaging shopping experience for your visitors. Keep in mind, a well-organized menu is a powerful tool in making your online store more user-friendly and attractive. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Shopify.